So welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create your virtual dollar card on Gray. How to create your Gray virtual card. So for you to do this, you need to fund your Naira account on Gray. Then now proceed and convert that Naira to dollar. So for me, I already funded my Naira account. You can see I have 8,000 Naira here. If you want to create a virtual card, you'll be needing a minimum of $5 on your account. So $4 is for the creation of the card itself, and $1 is for funding. It means you are spending only $4 in the end. So for you to convert your Naira to dollar, you simply come to where you have convert. If you don't know how to fund your Naira account on Gray, I already made a video on that, so just go ahead and watch that video. The link is in the description. So come over here and convert it to dollar by clicking on convert. So then you type the amount you want to convert. So I'll just proceed and put 8,000. I want to convert everything. Can you see? So conversion fee of 80 Naira. It means the amount that will be converted for me is 7,920 Naira, and that in dollar is $5.19. So I'll click on continue right here. So they say you should review transaction before proceeding, so just check this and then come here and click on convert money. So once I click on convert money, can you see currency conversion successful? Okay, so let's go and check. You can see that the Naira is now showing 0 Naira. There's no money in my Naira account again, so it means the money have been moved to dollar. Can you see? Now I have $5.19. So for you to create your virtual dollar card, simply come to where you have your card right here. So click on card. So over here, click on create virtual card. So once I click on that, so you can just go through this. Over here, they are explaining to you how much you'll be paying for it. You can see what I said earlier. You'll be charged a one-time $4 card creation and $1 funding fee, making it a total of $5. Can you see? And right here, they said if you have so many failed transactions due to insufficient funds, they are going to terminate your card. So ensure that you abide by the rule on Gray. So come over here and click on I understand and I agree to proceed. Then I'll click on create virtual card right here. Your virtual card is being created. So let's wait for this. So I'll come over here and click on refresh. Once I click on refresh, can you see I've been debited for the card? Then I'll go ahead and click on card. Can you see card creation $5? So I'll go ahead and click on card. Can you see? So it means that I have $1 on my card and $4 has been used for the card creation. So that's basically how you go about creating a virtual card on Gray. So now you can use these cards to make payments on TikTok or use to make any online purchase. So that's basically how you go about creating your dollar card. So if you got value from this video, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.